Here we have the TCx M7, a purpose-built, enterprise-grade, handheld device for high-velocity retail workflows. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, you will find the M7 device, charging block, and cables. The first thing you notice is how lightweight and easy it is to carry. The M7 weighs 280 grams, just a little more than a Big Apple. It's not just for quick tasks. It's light enough to stay in hand all shift. Now, let's take a quick tour of the device features. As you can see, the volume buttons are on the left side. There are scanner buttons on both sides, and you can press both simultaneously. The device comes with both front and rear cameras. The fingerprint scanner is located on the back of the device. And the scanner and power button are located at the top of the device. At the bottom, we have the USB-C port and pogo pins available for connectivity and accessories. You can also add a hand strap that comes separately to the back of the device. The strap is installed with a small screwdriver. Let's open up the back of the device. In the back, we have the battery. It inserts inside like this. The battery is field swappable, and quick charging is available so the device can stay in service throughout the day. You also have access to micro SD slots for extra storage or cellular capabilities. Another thing to point out is the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. The TCx M7 is a payment-ready device. It accepts tap-to-pay forms of transactions through a smartphone or credit card. Now, let's power on the device. As you can see, it runs on Android 13 straight out of the box with an upgrade path through Android 17. There are settings which you can set up like language and accessibility options. Once you've configured your settings, you will land on the home screen. The M7 is equipped with Google Play Store for all your app needs. The M7 can also be managed with your preferred MDM. And that wraps up this unboxing video. If you're exploring enterprise mobility for retail or hospitality, reach out to your Toshiba representative or a Toshiba authorized business partner. We'd love to talk with you about the TCx M7, its accessory options, and the right deployment approach for your environment. Thanks for watching.